Okay, welcome back, Real Man's Garage. We have the L200 Pro Max on the pad. Difference between the Pro Max and just the Pro is it's got optical avoidance. It's got a little camera on top, and we'll show you that right there. And we have a little switch here that we can turn on and off with. Okay, we've just charged up the battery. We had it up a little while ago, didn't get too far. We're gonna try it again, go through some motions, see what it's like. It's under $100, so we're not expecting anything. However, it does have GPS, it does have a return to home, it does have a nice holder for your camera, it does have a monitor on the screen, it does take 4K photo and 2K video even without an SD card. It has one of the oddest power buttons I've ever seen. Look at this. It's right here. Very tiny, very small. And what happens if you're not careful is this. I pushed it and it fell in. The only thing is, it's on a tube that goes, it's about a ½ an inch long, 2 or 3 centimeters long, 2 centimeters long. And the tube goes in and pushes down on a pin that is the switch. Why it's there, I don't know, whatever. But here, we're going to do the compass calibration again. Okay. Then we're going to do a short press. Let's see if it's going to do anything with the gimbal, because it's not quite straight. Level calibration. There it is. There it is. So that's done in the right sequence. Okay, we're going to get it up and looking here. Here we go. Boom. Doesn't do anything because we have to start the motors. Okay, and we're going to go up. There it is. Okay. It's a little bit shaky, but we're okay. Okay, now if I turn this on here, if I turn this around to us here, we can come a little closer. Okay. Hold this button here. See that shaky, shaky? There it is. Don't know why it's going that way. Should be in the front, shouldn't it? What happens if I go this way? Whoa! Oh, nope, don't do that. So we're not. There we go. Let's turn it back on again. Why does it go to the side? Don't know. Let's turn it off. Okay, we're going to turn it around. Okay. Up a little bit. Start that video. Start the video. There we go. Okay. We're going to see how far we can actually go on this. Let's go this way. Okay. Let's go up. Up we go. 16, 18, 27, 28. Okay. We're up to 50. Okay, let's... There we go, we'll go up a little bit. There we go. Not too much higher, please. There we go. Okay, let's go out. See how far we're up at 49 meters. Okay, we're just going to see how far we go with this. We've got the video going. There we go. It says in the bottom we've got 45 meters we're out, and that says... Okay, so the screen says, okay, stop there, 229, that's what they say. Okay, we're going to go on to Google and I'll tell you, it's not 229 meters. Okay, as it says there, which says meters, but nope, Not even close. We'll tell you how much it is. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. See how far it goes. It says it's up to 600 and 700, 800, 900. No, it's about, we'll tell you exactly on the Google Maps how far it is when it turns around. Oh, height at 49. Look at that, eh? It says it's a meter out, or a kilometer out. I don't think so. But I will say one thing. It's probably gone farther than 200 meters that I expected it to go. Okay, and it's still going. We still got that going there. Okay, yeah. Still says it's going, but I don't know. It says 1.5. Can you read this? 1.5. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Can you see that there? It says 1.6, 1.7, 17, 18, 19. No. 196. Nope. Well, don't know. Let's see what happens when we push the return to home. Did that work? Well, I hear a beep, so maybe it did. I heard a beep. We shall see what happens with it. 191. It says 191. It says 171 on there. See the differences here? There's the screen there. 12, oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. I'm impressed. I am impressed if it's coming back with all that gear on. It weighs about 116 grams without the obstacle avoidance, so we'll see what happens when it comes back. I hear it. See what happens when it comes back. That's impressive, really. It really is. We're going to go on the Google Maps and find out exactly how far it went. And yeah, let's have a look at that. There it comes. Mark me impressed. Mark me impressed. Okay, and it stops up there. Yepper. Now if I hit this again, what happens? Here we go. Let's do that. Let's close that. Okay, and let's open this again. Nah, it lost connection. There we go. Okay, so let's go back to here. Connection. Wi-Fi. Bada bing. Bada boom. There it is. Okay. Ah, that's funny. Okay, it says RH as the speed mode. Let's go forward. Forward, full stick. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 maybe. 5 maybe. Okay. When it's left hand, we'll come back. 2. Okay. 2.5. Okay. So RH, you see on here it says RH. See? See here it says RH. Where are we? There you go. It says RH and LH. I'm thinking that's low horizontal, and that's really fast horizontal. Backwards. Yeah, that's going 5. It maxes out at 5. Okay, awesome. Let's transfer over here to video. Well, let's just take a photo. There we go. Let's take a photo. we can take a photo by that way. Boom. See what the photo looks like. Low on power. Okay, thank you very much. And we're going to go back here, go to video, and take a video. Here we go. Interesting to see, interesting to see where the video let go. Turn around. Come on down. It's trying. It's on low battery though. Okay, let's go here and forward. Down we go. Over here. Under $100. Not a bad little drone. Not a bad little. Not too bad. Not too bad. Flies could be a little bit better in the flying characteristics. Okay, takes reasonable pictures. The videos, all right. Distance for a Wi-Fi drone, really good. Okay, really good. Okay, I wouldn't trust any of the intelligent flight features. So we've got the L200. We've also got, what's the other little one? Oh, the S20 Lite from Amida. That's another one. It's not GPS. But around here, you know, it's under $100 too, Canadian, under $100 Canadian. This is under $100 American. That's not too bad. Which one would I use better for photos? That's a toss-up. Okay, sometimes this gives you that fisheye look, okay, whereas the Amida is more direct and more in tune with what's going on. But when you don't need an SD card and you're still getting 4K photo, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And if you're in close quarters and that, you just want to get up for a quick inspection, it would be pretty good. The obstacle avoidance, I don't know how it's supposed to work or why there's no instructions. You put it on, you activate it, it goes burp, 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 and then it turned around. And I don't know. We'll see what happens with it. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, the LYZRC, aka L200 Pro Max. The only difference between the Pro and the Max is this obstacle avoidance, apparently, which I don't think they should have really bothered with, really. Okay, till next time, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Okay, bye now.